Hello everyone, welcome here. Mastering Google Gemini and Veo, next generation AI for creators. So this section, text to video creation. How super easy, I'll show you in this lecture. Let's see a simple one. Till now we have learned like a text to image and a text to creation of so much of content of different aspect of inputs like a prompts to creating using Gemini. Now here we are trying to making videos. Let's see, here it is create video option. So this is the pro account I am using. So create a video, describe your video, here it is saying, right? Now I am trying to writing a simple prompt. Let's check. Create a short video. I am trying to creating. Why? Because I don't want to take much time. So create a short cinematic. My requirements I am writing here. Cinematic. CINE. Yeah. Cinematic video about AI revolution. Capital AI will take AI revolution in the present current scenario or current trends. Also you can write it, no problem. AI revolution highlighting how what the content is required inside the video in every frames, what the backgrounds, how visual effects we have to add it. I'm taking cinematic theme. Okay, so highlighting how artificial intelligence is trans yeah transforming and shaping the future shaping the future and using futuristic visuals. futuristic visuals Futuristic visuals, take a comma. Smooth transitions. Smooth transitions means the visualization coming and going back. This calls transitions. Smooth I am trying to apply, asking to apply. And an inspiring tone. One end is enough. See, inspiring tone. Such a big prompt I hope I am preparing. See, a video every frame is going to be changing. And you want to see something like a new way, you have to write the requirements. If you are writing simply create a video and AI evaluation means, yes, it will be created by Gemini, and also Gemini will understand the minimum requirements, what it is come first to come serve, like such a pics it will take and it will add a video for you. If you need a specific video for a professional way, corporate theme, professional theme, or any agriculture theme, you can specify in a keywords that based on that keywords it will understand, it will pick for you and create a video for you. Now submitting this AI prompt to this Gemini, let's see. I hope it's take a few seconds. The video creation, collecting the prompts, it's required. See, I'm generating your video. It's understand my like a prompt, the text is understand. Now it is transforming this text to video creation. A few minutes. So check back to see when your video is ready. It's saying now it is a generating your video. This can take a 1 to 2 minutes of time. It is asking. So let's discuss about our AI prompt now. So create a short cinematic means how's the cinematic theme I'm suggesting. The first to collect. If you are having any other themes in your mind, you can write it. And about AI revolution, and also you may check it with the other professions, a product presentations. Much more things are there. A short stories. You can make a visualization of a boy and a dog, a boy and cat, a girls, and a children's play. What are the thoughts in your area, like mind or racings, children comic games? You can make it, try to make a your thoughts into visualization, like a making a video. All you have to put your efforts together. So I am taking like a artificial intelligence transforming how the shaping the future. That's such a keyword I have taken to understand better understanding in a single concept. Future using futuristic visuals, so smooth transition, inspiring tone. This you can apply for all many of the things. Our beautifulness video is ready. 8 seconds. If I play over here, see it is given a doctor and a robotics, robo with a man with audio. Just I'm trying to downloading this. See, from my local machine, it is playing now. Yeah, here is my local machine. This is the video. Yeah, one more time I'll try to play it. This is. Have you seen? By creating by yourself, you can play and you can add together multiple videos. And if you are having, this is the downloadable option, this is the share option. This video you can share with others. If you want to share, click here this button. Link is preparing. You want to share with the social media, you can choose. These are the accounts if you are having. Creating a link, and here it is going to be this copy link. This video is going to be play in other ways. Let's check. We have seen already. The link is here. Now if I play that link, so here you may check it here. So other machine, like other browser, the video is going to be played over here. It's loading. So this the techniques you can apply to text to video generations. How your thought is required to create a videos. You can create your videos as many. Duration also you just try to create. Most of the like it's taking some time, I think so. It will play. It will play. We have already tested. No worry, it will play. So if most of the three videos we have tested using a pro version, you check it, and wherever you require the durations and a short and a concise prompts you try to give and prepare a videos for yourself. Okay, Gemini will help you greatly by creating great high quality videos. See you in the next one. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome here. This video simply I would like to write a simple prompt to prepare a simple video presentation for a product. Let's check. I'm simply writing how it is suggesting. Let's check now. Create a video on a product presentation for a uh, board of directors or a company promotions for a promotion purpose, sales promotion we can put it. Okay, yeah, I'll add sales promotion meeting. That's it. I'm not writing anything over here, right? HD quality I'm writing. HD quality professional. That's it. Two words only I'm adding. That's it. I'm not adding much more. Let's check it how AI will understand. Gemini, how it is understand and collecting a source of information for us, and it is creating it will be creating a video for us. See, I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes. Check back, see when your video is ready. It's a thinking, right? Now, the similar way, I hope three videos are going to be submitting on every each day with a professional account. Check it. So, writing a simple prompt. If anything you want to add inside the video, the frames, you can write it. Or else simply what is the video you required, you specify few points like I create a video on a product presentation for a sales promotion meeting. That's it. Very simple keywords only I have written. I'm not constructed a great words. Truly. So create a video on a product presentation is my mind. I have added now for a sales promotion meeting where I have to present. That thought is raised in my mind. So I have added such a keyword. So the video from where you are trying to creating, from where you have to present, who are the audience, those are, and which is the call to action you are trying to creating such a video, those are important. All right. If any text you want to add, you check it. You add such a text and this all. It will be beautiful. Our 8 minutes video is ready to available. See, I'm downloading here. Yeah, the video is readily available. Now let's check it. So whenever you want to start something in your video, or whenever you want to do like a intro, so such a intro video you can create using Gemini and continue with this video to in additional of extending your video or slides or presentations. You prepare how beautifully it is created with a single words. So what the TV, what the presentation you required, you also ask it. No problem. So I hope you clearly understand how text to video is going to be creating Gemini with the help of the like AI tools. So these are the tools is creating videos. VEO 3.1 is automatically detecting and preparing when you written create a video. That's it. Creating images, Nano Banana Pro, it's taking care. Got it? I hope it will helpful for you greatly. Try your level best to create more videos. Test it hands on. See you in the next one.